Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan. It's so great to see you all. So I wanted to make this quick video to raise attention to the global protest on Valentine's Day, February 14th. All right, this is the rideshare professor, and I wanted to spread the word about this protest going on for, I believe it's for Uber drivers and Lyft drivers, as well as looks like DoorDash as well. I'm gonna play a little bit of this video and go check out his page because he's posting a lot about this. In full transparency, I don't do much news anymore about rideshare or tips. I do occasionally, but I mostly do the, funny videos. But this is my roots, and this is where I started. So I know I still have an audience of drivers who watch my videos, and so just wanted to help spread the word and get this out there because why not? Right? This is what social media is all about. People coming together. This is why I started my YouTube channel in the first place, to bring together a community of drivers and gig workers. And starting to sign up for these gig apps really had a profound impact on my life and taught me about the value of being your own boss and all that stuff. So anyways, I'm gonna play a little bit of this, but yeah, definitely go to his page. I'll put a link below. I'll pin it in the comments to this video, but it's on Valentine's Day, February 14th.
The drivers have spoken. Valentine's Day, February the 14th, 2024. Apps off, right? Show us the love, Uber. Show us the love, Lyft. Show us the love, DoorDash. Show us the love, Uber Eats. Show us the love, Instacart. Show us the love, Spark. Show us the love, Amazon Flex. And I can carry on and on and on.
Yep. So I've heard the argument that protests don't work, but what I do know is that when you want to get your voice heard out there and you want change, you do need to come together as a community. So join in on it. Go check out the Rideshare Professor, his page, and big shout out to him for always leading these events and stuff. I mean, yeah, it definitely takes a lot of work to do these things. So let me know if you will be participating. Again, that's February 14th, just coming up in right over a week. And yeah, thanks again for watching my channel. You guys are the best, and I'll talk to you soon.